guys, welcome to ICO Investor. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the Pragma project. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to watch more of such videos. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so always do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Pragma. You can access it by going to pragma.money. As per the website, it is FTM-Native rebase token that offers the highest fixed APY on FTM and the fastest payout in the industry. We are positioning Pragma to lead a revolution in DeFi with the Pragma Auto-staking Protocol as a new financial protocol native to the Fantom Opera Network. Pragma makes staking painless and gives $Pragma token holders the highest stable returns in the DeFi world. So there is a feature of auto staking. You get the highest APY on FTM, you get the fastest payout and monthly dividend as well. They also have a really cool feature called compound interest. So that's a really good thing because that multiplies your money a lot more faster. So since your interest accumulates on each rebase automatically, your holdings grow exponentially on their own. If you were to hold $100 Pragma for a year, at the end of the year, you would have these many tokens, which is pretty mind-blowing. There is a possibility for you to make immense amount of wealth with this project because there will be consistent gains as Pragma would bring back the respect and value to the high APY percent rebase protocol. There will be monthly dividends and long-term diversification and collective wealth building mindset as well. And the fact that Pragma auto-staking protocol pays every 15 minutes makes it one of the fastest auto-staking protocols in DeFi world. The long-term mindset, basically meaning we are here to stay, is designed specifically for people who like to hold diamond hands. So hold on to your tokens, community loyalty will be rewarded lucratively. Pragma understands the importance of clarity, and that's why it opens explanations on their website to help users understand the basics of how it is designed and operates. And the easiest auto staking in DeFi so far is Pragma, in my opinion, because the Pragma auto staking protocol deposits straight right into your wallet, and from the minute you purchase, your tokens are staked and received rebase rewards as well, giving Pragma token holders one of the highest stable returns in the DeFi world. The APY that fluctuates can be quite confusing and misleading as well. So PAP pays a fixed interest rate of 2.14% daily, which is an incredible 227,140.92% annually. They also have a Pragma vault, which ensures security, and a healthy TVL provides also for tax deductions and the higher time lock period and the higher percentage of tax deduction. So this project was essentially born from the DeFi community. So the trusted team has worked together long before Pragma was linked through various other ventures as well. The Pragma team kind of understood the crypto world and valuing the importance of complete transparency when it comes to handling funds. And that's why the treasury is managed by seasoned quant traders and DeFi strategists to increase the treasury value and hence securing the future of the project, offering great rewards in form of the monthly dividends. They also have a really cool specialist team that have designed their very own rigorously time-tested trading systems and strategies to grow your funds. 10% of this growth will be paid to the Pragma holders once per month, which will be paid proportionally to the holdings that you have. And so the more Pragma basically you hold, the more you get paid. So to get some Pragma, first thing you need to have is a MetaMask wallet, which is connected to your Fantom Opera Network. For knowing how to get MetaMask wallet and how to get it set up, please check the link in the description box below, or you can check it out at metamask.io. MetaMask by default would only support Ethereum network. However, you can automatically add details for the Fantom Opera network on MetaMask via chainlist. So MetaMask by default only supports the Ethereum network. However, you can automatically add details for Fantom Opera network on MetaMask via chainlist. To perform any sort of transactions on Pragma or any other Fantom Opera protocol, you will need some sort of FTM for the gas fees. So once you've done this, go to Spooky Swap using the link over here and select the tokens that you want to swap. So you can swap FTM to Pragma. And to buy Pragma, you're going to set the slippage on 15% plus to make the swap happen and get your Pragma tokens. And to sell, set your slippage at 20% plus to swap your Pragma tokens to the other tokens out there. And that's pretty much it. Now all you have to do is relax and let Pragma do the rest. So in terms of tokenomics, there will be a total initial supply of these many Pragma tokens, of which 87% would belong to the investors and will be paid out via future rebases, 10% to the team, 2% to their fair launch, and the remaining 1% are reserved for initial marketing, development, and in general further project updates. Only 10% of the team's allowance will be available upon the launch, and the rest is vested for 6 months and it will be allocated to the team in periodic deposits. It is also important to realize that Pragma, like Ethereum, is an inflationary asset, which means that as long as there is demand for this token, the contract will mint more. The inflation scenario with Pragma comes with also few different alternatives. There will be trading taxes, so 35% of trading volume will be recycled back to the protocol, which removes the same percent inflation pressure from the token as well, which is one of the highest ever reported by any token ever. They also have buybacks and burns, so a burning mechanism that will be implemented by Pragma protocol that will allow the protocol to buy Pragma token, burn it based on the MOM delta positive overflow from RFV treasury funds, which will happen once a month, and it will be considered to remove the inflation pressure from the token as well, and it will change the dynamics of supply and demand. Unlike similar protocols out there, Pragma is not a useless token. Pragma developers have made one-of-a-kind wall that allows all the Pragma holders to greatly leverage their holdings, and the more Pragma holdings that you would have, the higher rewards you have a potential to earn. So over here there is a little graphic that shows the distribution of token. You can go over it. We're gonna post all the links in the description box below as well. So in terms of the roadmap of the company, the first goal was Fantom testnet pressure test, which was accomplished. Right now they are working on team token vesting, pre-launch marketing, and very soon the initial offering will be coming. Safe secure launch, a dashboard stress test will be happening very soon as well. The audit from a high quality and a reputable firm is currently under negotiation, and treasury management is also coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing, CoinTrackers listing, social media marketing are currently under negotiation. There will be PR marketing, which is currently happening right now, along with SEO and community education as well. The PR marketing, SEO, and vault are currently in process. However, the core team expansion is under negotiation, and dollar Pragma being used as a collateral is also under negotiation. So some of the questions you guys might be having is, how does the rebase work? So the rebase operation would allow tokens to work in a way that the circulating supply would expand or contract due to the changes in the price of a certain token. So this increase or decrease in the supply works with a mechanism which is also known as rebasing, and Pragma uses a positive rebase formula which increases the dollar Pragma supply of each folders out there. If you want to stake the Pragma token, Pragma has a very cool auto staking feature that would provide with a simpler way to receive staking rewards. So all you have to do is hold the Pragma in your wallet and you will start receiving rewards in it. The slippage of the trades is also mentioned over here, so you can go through that. When it comes to the supply, Pragma is a token with elastic supply, and that's why there is no standard for its quantity. It does not have a maximum supply right now. The team is composed of pseudo-anonymous developers, marketing strategists, experienced quant traders, and DeFi analysts. All the members are located in different demographic zones, so we don't know much about them. That's all we know from their white paper. Also, a really cool thing is that Pragma Money has officially completed Obsidian's verification process, and Obsidian hold their KYC information on file, and they are officially verified by Obsidian and have attained the bronze tier. So that's really a good step towards the future of the project because they have passed their KYC with the Obsidian Council. So that's a really good news for this project because they have passed their KYC with Obsidian Council. And this is their Twitter page over here. They currently are very new to the world. They have a following of 1828 people. So that's good in a way, because if you are somebody who likes to learn about the new projects in an early stages, I feel this is a good way to start before it becomes really big in future. So overall, the project looks quite promising. It has a lot of exciting stuff as well. So I'm definitely leaning towards learning more about how this project can make a difference. I'm gonna post all the links in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.